Hi. Last time, I unboxed this beautiful Harman Kardon Onyx Studio 9 portable Bluetooth speaker. Today, I'll show you how to remove the speaker grill and do a sound and bass excursion test to check how loud the speaker can get. The speaker grill is held in place with plastic pins, similar to the fabric covers on hi-fi speakers. Carefully work your way around the grill and gently pry the mesh loose in several spots until it comes off. Keep in mind that this method may slightly scratch the housing finish, so I recommend using some tape to protect the surface. Here we can see the woofer along passive radiator and with 3 tweeters, which help create wider sound coverage. Next time, I'll take a look inside the speaker, but for now, let's move on to the sound and bass test.